So for the last time today, sudo etc nginx sites enabled full stack front end. And I'm just going to jump up here. And I'm going to create an upstream backend. Do it right above here. Say upstream. Actually, do I need to create this here? No, sorry, wrong place. We don't do it in the server. We do it in nginx conf, because that wouldn't make sense. So I'm just going to U all the way back. There we go. And I'm going to quit. So sudo vi nginx conf. Now we can create an upstream backend. So it doesn't really matter. We'll do it here. And we're going to create a HTTP block first. If we're not already there, let me double check. Yeah, it's already in there. So I'll just do it at the top here. So we say upstream. And we'll call this the node backend, just in case we have different types of languages or services running. Call it backed, it's backend. And we'll just lift other servers. We only have 2 right now. So we'll say server 1 is running on localhost 3000. And the other one was running on 3001. OK, not too bad. And for real this time, the last time we're going to edit this nginx configuration for this course. So all we have to do now, instead of proxy passing directly to that one open port, we're just going to proxy pass to node backend. And we'll let nginx decide which server to pass to. So proxy pass and node backend. And right quit. And what do we do? Sudo nginx -t. Looks good. So sudo service nginx restart. And if we did things correctly, the website's still up and running. But you're like, how do I know it's actually being load balanced? So this is bonus. You don't have to do this. You can believe me that it's being load balanced, but I'm going to add in a little bit of logging just so I know I can see how the load is being distributed. So I'm going to edit my nginx conf. Again, you don't have to do this. I'm just showing you what's actually happening in the background. And I'm going to add a log format line. So I've already had this copy pasted because I certainly can't remember all this. We're creating an upstream log format, and all these things are parameters that nginx logs that we can log to. And this is just a really, 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 really verbose log. But really what we want to know is where things are headed. And this, again, I just copy pasted in. I don't remember this off my head. I put in the notes. If you're like, how did Jem remember all that? I didn't. That's my secret. And we're just going to edit. I'm going to edit my nginx conf. And I just want to say, for my access log, I'm just going to specify that I want to use that upstream log. And the logging is in var /log/nginx /access log, the default spot. And I'm just going to specify I want to use this log format. Let me write quits. Let's double check. Oops. Everything looks good. Let's restart. And I'm going to tail, sudo tail -f /var log nginx, the access log. All right, looks like nothing's happening right now. So let's go ahead and reload my server a few times. I must have put something in the wrong place because nothing's showing up here. Oh, duh. The -f. It's always one off. It's always the one off errors. There we go. So here we can see as I refresh the server, sometimes it goes to port 3000. Sometimes it goes to 3001. If we had more servers, you'll see the load getting distributed out. Other than that, we could add in special logging into our applications themselves to respond to the server about like which one they are. But again, a little bit more complicated we need to get. Pretty cool. So now you have as many servers as you want. You can bring them up and down easily as you want. And Nginx will take care of all of it for you as long as you tell them which server cluster to route to.